Today we're going to be talking about something that us here in snowy Minnesota are far too familiar with this time of year, and that's automobile accidents. Hi everybody, it's Dr. Brittany here at Bloomington Wellness Center, and today we're going to be talking about what your chiropractor can do for you if you're involved in an auto accident. Anytime that you're involved in an auto accident, it's very important to seek medical attention, no matter how minor it is, and even if you feel completely fine. Studies have shown that accidents as slow as 5 miles an hour can cause long-lasting and permanent damage, and that it's very common that symptoms don't even present themselves right away and can sometimes show up days or even weeks later. The most common injury that's sustained for most people in an auto accident is, of course, whiplash, or in other words, rapid forward and then back movement of your head and the rest of your spine. When this happens, it can cause a whole host of injuries, including sprains and strains of the muscles and ligaments along your spine, herniated discs, misalignments of your spine, and other chronic and long-lasting symptoms. What most people will often experience right away, or sometimes days and weeks later, is neck and back pain, sometimes headaches. People can have dizziness and other concussion symptoms, and even tingling in your hands and feet is a very common symptom of whiplash. So you've been involved in a car accident, you've gotten your car taken care of, now what is your next step? Most people will find themselves either in an emergency room or their primary care physician's office, which is a perfectly fine step. They're very good at quickly ruling out serious pathologies, such as if you have any broken bones or internal bleeding or concussions or anything like that. But unfortunately, the treatment that most physicians these days will prescribe is going to be in the form of a prescription for either pain medications or muscle relaxers. Now, at the time, if you take those, they'll probably help you feel quite a bit better and they might take care of a lot of your symptoms. The problem with that is that they unfortunately don't do anything to cure the root cause of the problems or help treat any of those injuries which got you in your pain in the first place. That's where your chiropractor can come in. So anytime that you have an auto accident, we're going to work with you to help properly diagnose any injuries that you have and then work up a proper treatment plan specific to you to help get you back to your pre-accident self. Usually that treatment for most people will consist of both chiropractic adjustments, which again are done very gently, and their purpose is to restore proper mobility in the segments of your spine and correct any misalignments that may have happened in your accident. And then we're also going to do a whole host of soft tissue treatments, which are going to help take a lot of that pain out of the muscles and ligaments, get some of that stiffness out of there, get your range of motion back, and help those tissues properly heal. If you or anyone that you know has recently been involved in a car accident, please feel free to give us a call and we'd be happy to talk to you about what we can do to get you back to your pre-accident, happy, healthy self. If you have any questions or concerns, please feel free to leave us a comment. Otherwise, jump on over to our YouTube channel and feel free to share with your friends.